welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you about Salesforce certification registration process. Any certification, platform developer or any Salesforce, okay, agentic force or anything. First you have to type trailhead login. Okay, this is related to Salesforce only. First we have to open the trailhead, login to trailhead. It is taking little bit time. We have to wait. It is not important. See here in this page there is a option called certifications overview, certifications by role. Okay, now see, scroll down. Here all the certifications are visible. Salesforce certificate, business analyst, certified platform 1, PD2, PD1. Now I want to book Salesforce certified PD2. Okay, now scroll down. It will give you the study material test. No, just avoid it. Just select Salesforce certified. Select new experience. Okay, now it will, this is the final page. It will show like this. The price of the Salesforce is, each exam is $200, which is equal to 19,000 in 2026 as of now. I'm saying you. Okay, wait a second. It went to back. Certifications, find a certifications. And you can, here also you can select product, role, administration. Okay, here it is. Salesforce platform administrator. If you have any doubts, you can ping me. I'll give my WhatsApp number. If you need vouchers also, you can contact me. See, here it is showing $200. Okay, but it is not showing what we call prerequisite is not completed, because I did not completed PD1. So I am going back. So I'm selecting basic one. See, now it is showing the register option. See, price is $75. Okay, any exam, this is the procedure only, online or test. If you want online proctored or offline, you can select here online. Okay, I agree to the terms, complete my profile. Here we have to put our name and everything. You can put anything. Okay, randomly I'm keeping company name, anything you can keep. +91. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay, address is not mandatory, you can keep anything. That's it. Make my certifications public to all. That's it. Save and continue. It will revert back to payment page. See, it is showing Salesforce certified platform foundation. Okay, next, press next. What is your preferred language for the exam? English. Okay, check all the, if you want to read, you can read, but no, not necessary to read. you directly check all the boxes.